David, can you hold this without dropping it? Don't drop it.
No, I can't actually.
You're so good, Gracie. Yeah. Come on, man.
This is too small for me to hold. Let me make it bigger.
Come on, Max. It's cold out here, man.
Yeah, let's get busy.
Yeah, come on, man. Yeah. Come here. David, get back here right now. David, get back
He's
here right
fine.
now.
Come on, let him have some fun.
No, you're putting the hat on now. He keeps taking the hood off, baby. David?
David, you need a hood. You're sick, okay?
David?
Right now, you're going in. Here, hat.
Hood or hat?
Hat.
Watch, that's what. Just, yeah, be careful with this.
That is not fun to that.
Yeah!
What?
Yeah.
Come on, Max.
Oh my God, Max just hurt his butt.
Max is getting tired. He's out of shape. He's out of shape. Come on, Max. He's huffing and puffing. He's an old man. Gracie's ready to go. Come on, Max. Come on. Show her what you got. Show her what you got.
Come, Max.
Hey, it's beeping.
Yeah, I'm beeping.
Oh.
Good boy. Good girl.
Oh, Max. Why is everyone wearing it?
Hey,
Ava, get away from the dogs. Ava, what's that hat you're wearing?
Ava, come over here.
She's fine. As long as she's not right up against the dogs, she's fine.
No.
Daddy, this is my hat. Oh my God.
Yeah, but it's not a winter hat, Ava. You need your hood if you're not...
Woo!
What? He can let him play a little bit as long as he's not, you know... Oh, I know. Just don't get right up against them, right? They just... Yeah. Yeah, but at least Max, if he goes like this, he's got things on, so he can't scratch her.
Max likes to pat people. He's patting. Pat.
Here's some water for him.
Max is hot in the winter.